So you think calisthenics is too easy. A few push-ups, maybe some pull-ups, beginner stuff, nothing serious. Cool. That's what everyone thinks. Right up until they can't. Do 20 strict pull-ups, hold a hollow body for 60 seconds, hit a slow, full-range Bulgarian split squat without shaking apart. Do a handstand push-up against a wall. Most people can't. And most of those people have been paying for a gym membership for years. Because calisthenics isn't beginner stuff. Tell that to the gymnast who can hold an iron cross, the wrestler who can control another human being's entire body weight, the combat soldier who can move, fight, and perform under conditions no gym machine was ever designed to simulate. None of them built that on a cable machine between phone checks. They built it with their body weight, open space, and a training approach that costs nothing and goes everywhere with them. That's not easy. That's the standard you're leaving on the table. Hit like and subscribe. Mentra Fit drops new content every week for people who are done following a system that was never built for them. Now let's get into it, because here's what calisthenics actually is. Not a beginner circuit, not a warm-up. It's the training method that uses your body weight as the resistance, and it builds real muscle, real strength, and the kind of discipline that gymnasts, wrestlers, boxers, and elite military units have relied on for decades. No machines, no membership. Just your body, gravity, and a training approach that goes everywhere you go and costs nothing to maintain. And yet you've probably been paying hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars a year to avoid it. Calisthenics doesn't let you cheat the movement. No counterbalance, no machine path, no way to fake strength you don't have. It exposes exactly where you are and demands you build from there honestly. That's not a limitation. That's the point. And once you understand that, the gym model starts looking very different. Let's be honest about what most gym sessions actually look like. You show up, you pick a machine, you do a few sets at a weight that's comfortable but not brutal. You check your phone between sets. You leave feeling like you did something. And technically, you did. Just not enough of it, not consistently enough, and not in a way that translates to anything beyond the gym floor. Machines move in fixed paths, absorb your stabilization work, and let you load muscles without ever teaching them to coordinate. That's how you build a body that looks okay in a mirror, but struggles to perform under any condition that doesn't involve a padded seat. The gym didn't fail you, the model did. Here's what changes when your body becomes the equipment. Every movement demands coordination. There's no machine to balance the load for you, just you, gravity, and every muscle in your body figuring out how to work together in real time. A push-up isn't just a chest exercise. It's your chest, shoulders, and triceps generating force while your core locks your spine in position and your legs stay braced to keep everything aligned. One movement, every system firing. That's what functional strength actually feels like. Pull-ups build a back that works. Dips build pressing power that transfers. Squats and lunges build legs that actually move you through space under load. And as you progress, from standard variations to explosive ones, from 2 arms to 1, from flat ground to elevated, the demand never stops climbing. No added plates required. The progressions never end. The strength never plateaus. And you can do all of it anywhere. You don't need to quit the gym dramatically. You just need to stop treating it as the only option. Start with the foundation. Push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, and core work. Master the standard versions before chasing advanced ones. Progress by increasing difficulty, not just reps. The ladder goes as high as you're willing to climb. Train 3 to 4 days a week. Keep sessions under an hour. Quality of movement and progressive difficulty, not time spent grinding through junk volume. Give it 8 weeks. 8 real weeks of honest effort. Not gym phone check effort. Actual work. Still here? Good. Here's the recap. The gym isolates muscles in fixed paths. Calisthenics builds full-body coordination from the ground up. The progressions never plateau if you keep pushing the difficulty. Start with the foundation. Train 3 to 4 days a week. Give it 8 honest weeks. And the fastest way to build strength that actually goes somewhere? Train with a plan. Subscribe and watch the next video. The gym was never the requirement. You were.